Okay. So we are at a Ridge Avenue home that I'm excited to show. Beautiful mid-century home and just really exquisite in my opinion. Let me get some lights on here and we'll go through the space in a little more detail. There we are. Okay. Absolutely fantastic. Great details. So we come into the space. We have a beautiful little entryway. Nice. They've kept it very much in line with the era. And I would love to get the lights on in there. Let's see. Well, I guess my only choice is turn them on. And these are on a timer, so I'm not going to bother them. No, the timer is, and it was just coming on. So, okay. Hey, I'll kind of start anew. Fantastic space. It really is. I'm blown away. Stunning room. I mean, wow. Just really exquisite. I love the artwork in here. It's really just perfect. This is a great room. Love how the inside carries in through the wall there. I just think that's really terrific. Okay, we're going to go through the dining room. Here. And perfection. Little side yard. This door is smashing. Just love the look of that, right? Just how nicely it diffuses the light. It's really exquisite. Let's see here. So we have our kitchen, and there we are. Cute. Lovely. Nice little details, outlets everywhere. Really terrific. So then right off of the kitchen, we have our utility room. Nice side by side, substantial pieces. be nice to have these built in a little bit. With all this cabinetry, so seems like it would be fitting. Little utility closet. Again, we have the beautiful bevel door. Okay. And a little garden room. It goes out to a little courtyard, which we'll go visit in a second. So this was probably a porch and enclosed at some point. Okay, this is the hallway that we could have passed through from here. This door goes to our garage, I believe. So looks like we have outdoors. And we have a closet. Nice to have that. This goes to our garage. I think it's locked. Yep. Very, very clean. Nice space. Back here, I almost did. That would have been terrible. There we go. So close. It's always fun being locked inside of a garage. At least I could have gotten out, and I have the keys with me, so I would have been able to lock up. But we have a fridge. The fridge comes with it. A nice little space here. One car. It's decent height. No problem with a small SUV. So if this is open, it is. And lots of access to the outside. So we have a quick little side yard from the driveway and a little gate back here. Wonderful rock. Okay. So yeah, pretty amazing. I don't think I'm going to come back through this one. Okay, close that up. Okay, yeah, let's go back in. So this is very framed out in like steel here, so pretty secure. Don't know why all that security, but you know. I'm gonna lock it. Leave it as it was. Okay, that was our closet. So we would have gone down this hallway. The first room here is this guy. Big bathroom. This looks out onto the porch. Hello everyone. I'll fix the hair. Okay. Shower. Very, very old school. Got a little mid-century to it, but kind of odd as well. So yes, right off the kitchen, off this hallway, goes right on through. Wow, they really maximize space here. There's all these little cut-ins. There's not a traditional hallway. This is kind of interesting how they've done it. And this goes to the basement. Okay. Yeah, this is going to be interesting to do a layout of. I'll try to do a small floor plan because it's really maximizes space. Okay, we come back through, and now we're back on our hall, and we have our cedar closet. So this is a nice little storage area, all storage. Okay. So much storage. So just a lot of storage. Oh, these didn't have lights. There's a little bit of lighting too. Wow, it's just chock full of storage spaces. So other than that noise, what a nice space with all of this. And you even have another cedar shelving too. Yeah, really great. Floor to ceiling. Pretty smashing. Okay. I truly wasn't expecting that. Come on back. And here's our garden room again. And here is the mauve. Well, more of a nice putty brown and taupe color, which, you know, really works. If you're like going for that period thing, and they really embraced it 100%. So it's kind of some nice contrast. I don't know about the pink here, but I would have left that open so much better just with the beige. But anyway, not my listing. Lots and lots and lots of space there. The two sinks. Anyway, pretty great. Shower stall's pretty awesome. Same detail as in the other one. And nice wood door and shelving. Okay. Right, and then we have our primary suite, I believe. Great window detail. Small closet. Oh, this feels guest. So yeah, guest. It's quite beautiful. Yeah, pretty great. Close this. I like the line that you get. I love that this closes up. Yeah. All right, so that's our little tour. Let's step outside real quick. I'm an idiot. There we go. Good God. Sturdy though. It's pretty.